Discover the peaceful Sheffield Hill neighborhood in Exeter, where this alluring home's quiet cul-de-sac street lets you feel miles from everything while being 8 minutes to shopping and convenient highways. From the large private driveway, approach the entry of this impressive yet welcoming home bathed in wooded splendor. Step into the spacious foyer that opens to a charming sunroom. The great room provides a fabulous, versatile integration of living, dining, and kitchen space enhanced by high ceilings, exposed beams, and generous accents of stone and shiplap. A wood stove makes this a cozy hub of daily life, echoing the natural beauty of the location. The remodeled kitchen offers gorgeous stone counterspace, high-quality stainless steel appliances, and a spacious center island for meal prep and casual dining. An array of luminous windows extending from floor to ceiling include a set of French doors opening out to a lovely railed rear deck. Naturally shaded by mature trees, its stairs lead you down to the fenced yard, providing another level of eye-pleasing entertaining space. The home's fully powered outbuilding offers square footage to customize as your own workshop, yoga studio, or telecommuting zone. Return inside where a comfortable bedroom and a full bath complete the first floor. Follow the steps up to the spacious and sun-filled primary suite, featuring a full bath with a spacious vanity and its own lofted tower, letting you find special space for deep focus or blissful tranquility. Exeter is a town in Washington County with rich history, period buildings, and almost endless recreation. Try golf at Exeter Country Club and skiing at Yagoo Valley. Visit East Greenwich for the farmers market at Goddard Park. The nearby town of Richmond provides the Beaver River Golf Club and Pinecrest Country Club. A swift ride takes you to Interstate 95, while a 30-minute drive delivers you to the sparkling beaches of Westerly or to an early flight at TF Green Airport. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Eric Hahn at area code 401-932-4412.